Hello AP English 3 students. Today I want to show you how you can take notes while watching AP Daily videos from College Board. The first step you want to do is go ahead and make sure you're logged into your Canvas course and click on Modules. And whenever you see a lesson that has AP Daily video at the end, so it's going to be here actually, then this is going to signal to you that you're going to be watching a video from AP Daily, and this is a chance for you to use the notes that we're going to talk about in this video today. So you're going to make sure to read through all the components of the lesson as you get started, and then there'll be links that provide you a link to the video on AP Daily. Remember, you're going to watch these videos using your College Board account, so make sure that you can log into your College Board, and if you are unable to, make sure to let your teacher know. Once you are here for each one, you're going to see that the lesson has the name of the video used. So this is video 1 of skill 3A. So here you're going to click Notes Guide. This is the same link for each video. This is just repeated in case you didn't click it earlier. So when you click Notes Guide, it's going to take you to a place where you can make a copy of a Google Slide document. So you want to go ahead and make a copy to save this. Make sure you're logged into your Keller ISD Google account before you do so. And what I have for you is I've assembled notes that are going to take you through as you watch each video in each module. So for each unit or module, there is one Google Slides presentation. You can see here all of the slides for this entire module. I know it seems like a lot, but you're not going to be completing these all at one time. So this is just so that by the end of the course, you'll have one slide deck per unit. So you'll see that each one is broken up. You'll see the name of the video that this Google Slide talks about. And as you're watching the video, you should complete these based on the prompts in the video that you see. I want to give credit to the creator of these slides. It is Miss Christy Seidel. She's a teacher at another school, so I want to recognize her work creating these. But for our class, I've rearranged the slides to match the videos in the order that you will see them in our class. So that's why we're not using her exact original version, but again, want to give her credit for her work. I think these are really going to be helpful to you as you study, so make sure you keep track of where you've located these. Once you've watched each video and completed the notes for that corresponding video, again, you'll see at the top of each slide listed the video that it corresponds to. Once you've completed that, you can move on to the quiz for each lesson. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to your teacher and let me know. By the end of the unit, you should have completed all slides. If you missed one, go back and make sure that you complete it for your notes. There are a few links in the notes as well, so make sure that you use this note-taking tool. You are absolutely welcome to include your own additional slides. So if you click on a slide, you can always hit File or Plus and add an additional one to include other notes that you want to for that particular topic. So this is going to really be a way for you to have organized everything that you need to study regarding AP Daily videos at the end of our course before you take the AP exam. Thank you for watching, and I hope you use this for your notes. If you have questions, reach out anytime.